Alright, yo, what's going on? We got these seats out of the Slammery, may she rest in peace. And they're like just like no-name generic, I think they're Recaro replicas, but they're looking a little faded. So me and Devin are gonna do a little project today. We got some like vinyl and fabric black paint, and we're just gonna spray these. The stock seats, I'm not putting those back in. They're ripped and like very Maxima looking, so there's no way those are going in. We're gonna try to get these to at least like a 7, at least like a 7 or 8 out of 10. But they do have like nice bolsters, and I remember when people would get in the Slammery, they would be like, "Oh wow, you have racing seats in this thing." So just gonna clean these up today. Try painting them. I don't know if it's a paint more so than it is like it's a dye, like a spray dye. So
that's what it says, anyways.
yeah, I'm gonna start by vacuuming these seats off, and then we'll get working on this. Okay, what's up? I'm not really sure how this stuff works, but I assume it just looks like paint, so just gonna go ahead and spray it and see how it turns out. It also snowed like 20 centimeters overnight, so we might get some skids in tonight with Brandon, maybe some front wheel drive skids with Devin. Here's the first seat all done, and they just look way better than the stock seats. Pretty happy with it. The black vinyl spray paint worked really well. It's like dry to the touch. Doesn't seem like the color's gonna come off, but I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit more and then test it with like a wet cloth and see if any of the color comes out. But we got pretty good coverage all around on the seat, and it looks pretty good. So right now we're just masking off the door card, and we're gonna spray paint. I don't want to say spray paint because doesn't really feel like it is spray paint, but we're gonna spray this this part to match the seat. Damn. All right, so seats are both finished. I also finished the interior door cards. They're looking nice and updated instead of that blue like faded Maxima color that it came with. Overall, super impressed with how this vinyl and fabric stuff worked. It's like 12 or 13 bucks a can, and you can get a lot of stuff done to it. I pretty much just matched my whole interior for 26 bucks. Not bad. Here's how it looks in there. Damn, looks good. Alright, just put in that other door card there, and it really cleans up the interior a lot. Like that blue just was really outdated and tired looking, so nice little change up on the interior here. The seat's also looking good in there. Keep in mind, these are only going to be temporary for the meantime. I mean, what isn't temporary in life, right? But they're better than the stock seats. We're working with what we got, so I'll just get some custom brackets made to fit these, and then should be good. And the other seat will go in once I send the head off to get some work done. We're gonna get wind to weld the oil feed to block it off, and then I gotta get it resurfaced and re-cleaned, and then after that it's cams and reinstallation onto the block, and it should be on the road pretty soon. I remember this time last year after Calgary driven when my motor was blown. I only had a month before Vancouver, and I was able to pull it off, so this feels really familiar, and it's like I've done this not too long ago. So
Drift battle. We got Brandon's S15, Brad's truck. Is she the drift king? Queen, I guess? We'll find out. Oh shit, he's got the lights. Ox beam shouts out. Front wheel drive things.
The opening clip to the video.
Yeah. Let's go over here. Oh shit.
Yeah, we should have a system. Let's
Yeah.
fucking flag them.
Oh my god. DK out here. Multiple DKs. Wait.
We're flanking you guys. You guys should go in a system.
Yeah, yo.
Yo. Alright, so we had to like organize this a little bit. We're gonna do like a drift train back and forth so they're not drifting into each other. I feel like they all fucked up. Oh!
Yeah, they all fucked up. Fuck.
Risky. Then Devin's gonna come flying around the
Yeah.
corner. Devin, I feel like Devin's gonna go full
You're
send.
good.
Go ahead!
Gord. Nice.
He's just out here crushing piles. Brandon's drifting anyways.
Yeah, it's frozen.
It's so cold, the windows are frozen shut. So
Open
I
it.
can't open it.
What?
What are you saying?
Probably shouldn't be dicking around if he's here. He'll call the cops.
Oh yeah, true. There's
I just fucked up all the snow he pushed.
there's
Oh, true, yeah.
You just drove all over his snow piles.
Look at them.
The camera's dead anyways, so